I've never seen a big brewery collab like this before. This brand new mango michelada in a can. It's a collaboration between Estrella, Jalisco, Golden Road's mango cart beer. You've had that, right?
I love Golden Road.
It's so fire, and Clamato tomato juice is like the gold standard in making micheladas.
Now, micheladas I've been drinking since
Ricky's been drinking mango micheladas ever since he was a ripe young age of 21. We should just make a giant mango michelada, like the biggest one we can in one monster goblet.
Well, you don't have to tell me twice. I am a fan of huge things. So.
So this is it. This is the collab. This must be amazing if people are taking photos of the can and putting it on Instagram.
Like, strike a pose, baby.
How many do you think we need?
For our giant
It's
glass.
like this big.
3 cases. Nice, bro.
Okay.
You know what we need? Those candy sticks, bro. They're making candy on them with the straws. Yep. And we should make one giant straw.
We need more beer first. All right, used to be that to make a michelada you needed to buy all the ingredients separate, but now there's mango michelada in a can from Estrella, Jalisco, and Golden Road Brewery.
Yeah.
It's the first like big brewery collab that I've ever seen. And that's probably why it's popping off on Instagram. It's like a little bit of LA. It's not too sweet.
It's really nice.
And then the mango is amazing. Ooh.
It's blended up real nice. Like you taste the Mexican cerveza beer, you taste the Clamato, and you taste the mango cart. It's so bomb.
Mango Cart won awards as a beer. It's like a very high accoladed beer. And so it's perfect that they mix up with the cerveza.
Goodbye.
Too small, my friend.
But I knew that would happen.
Oh, Ricky!
No, I'm fixing this right now.
Okay.
All right, should we cheers at one time for this big michelada?
We'll do it.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Oh. If you did want to just go crazy, all you have to do is get this, get some Clamato, get some Estrella. It definitely makes making a michelada a hell of a lot easier. Try to find this, snap a picture of it like 1,000 people do. Thanks for watching News Bites.